In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Outlook. If you send similar messages over and over, templates can save you a ton of time and keep your communication consistent. I'll walk you through creating templates in the new Outlook and the Outlook web app, and then show you how to do the same in classic Outlook on the desktop. Let's start with new Outlook and the web app, since the process is the same. Begin by opening a new email. Look at the bottom toolbar of the Compose window and click the three dots. This opens more options you might not see at first glance. From there, choose My Templates. If you prefer using the ribbon at the top, open the Insert tab, select Apps, and then choose My Templates. In the panel that appears, click the button to add a new one. You'll see a field for the title and a larger space for the body. Give your template a clear descriptive title so you can recognize it quickly later. Then write the body text you want to reuse. Keep it clean and adaptable. You can always personalize it when you insert it into an email. When you are happy with it, click Save. That's all you need to do. Your template will now appear in the My Templates list whenever you are composing a message in new Outlook or the web app. Now, let's cover classic Outlook on the desktop. Start by clicking New Email and compose the message exactly how you want the template to look. You can include a subject line and even attachments if that's part of what you reuse. When the message is ready, go to File and choose Save As. In the dialog box that opens, look for the Save As type drop-down and select Outlook Template with the .oft file type. Give the file a clear name that reflects its purpose. Then click Save. The template will keep your formatting, subject, and any attachments you included, so it's ready for future messages. Without you having to rebuild it each time. That's it. Thanks for watching.